But is your crush gonna be singing now?
Cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet.
Alright, you guys, we are getting ready to head out to the Black Excellence Festival. I'll put the poster somewhere on the screen, you guys. First off, I do apologize. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome to the vlog. I am Uniquely Lavish if you are new. And welcome to another vlog. So you guys, we're going to go hang out with some other content creators today. I'm excited about that. They invited me to the Black Excellence Festival. So I'm going to put the flyer somewhere on the screen just in case. If I may have pronounced something wrong or if I said the wrong name, you know, I want them to get their due deal. So let's start with the OOTD, you guys, because I'm running a little bit late as usual. I have on a Shein necklace, Shein bangles, Shein earrings, Shein top, and Shein button down denim skirt. And I'm going to wear my Puma sneakers because it's like an outside food and drink kind of festival. Since of the day, you guys, we are going to double up. Okay, we're gonna do our salted pear with our Tiffany and Co. With our Tiffany and Co. Rose Gold. So you guys, I was telling you, I hope that you have seen the perfume starter collection thus far, and I'm a heavy spread, y'all know that. Yeah, I hope that you guys have seen that. Oh, these two layered together. Like, I need to stop spraying this because this bottle is a bit expensive, but I need to get this in a travel size. I really do. But yeah, you guys, that's the sense of the day. Hopefully you guys saw my perfume starter collection video. It should have been posted like maybe a day ago. But yeah, go check that out. And y'all, let's head out. I'm gonna pick y'all up in a few minutes.
You can't blame my past no more. I come from the trenches. Child support, your only support.
Hey y'all, so we just got here and yeah, let's be careful with crossing these Baltimore streets, yeah. Alright. How you doing? Hey. Hi, boo. You drinking a Celsius? I just drank one of them.
Really, girl, I love them.
Hey, everyone.
Hey.
Yo, this is my friend Tay. I'm
Just put
sorry.
it in the bag. You can put it in the bag.
And we are here, you guys. I done pulled up on meeting. They got me in Baltimore. In the little garage right there. Well, it's a little lot. Okay, you guys, so we entered into the vendor section and I had to mute this portion because the music was like, it was a party, it was a vibe in there, and y'all know for copyright purposes I had to mute it. But I love this young lady's brand, okay, the Adulting Queen. Make sure you guys check her out on all social media platforms as the Adulting Queen. And I purchased one of her shot glasses that said adulting is ghetto because y'all, sometimes adulting can be ghetto. Y'all know, y'all remember those times when y'all didn't have to do certain things or pay for certain things when you were not an adult, okay? I remember the days. Friend. And yeah, I agree with her statement, so I had to purchase.
12, 11, 10, 9. Take that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time. for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it.
I've been getting into juicing lately, you guys, and I just had to stop at Spice Groove's juice stand, you guys. I purchased from her the hibiscus and ginger drink, and it was chef's kiss. It was a bit spicy, however, I can see why it has cayenne pepper in it as well as ginger. And you guys, when I say that thing do a little cleaning, a little spring cleaning, it does what needs to be done. Make sure you guys check out Spice Groove.
It's my time. Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that.
So after having so much fun downstairs, we headed upstairs to the Black Owned Spirits portion of the event, you guys. And the gentleman at Trunk Punch was very much so informative. And I'm not going to call it Trunk Punch. I'm just going to call it by the brand name, which is Trunk. He has a vodka that is infused with hemp. Okay, but it doesn't get you high. He was very much so clear that it was not going to get me high. But he also had a rum punch as well as another kind of, it was like a mule. Yeah, he had a rum punch and a mule. And when I tell y'all that all of the drinks were really, really good, I had to go ahead and place me an order. Okay? I had to place an order. They were really good. And this was the first stand that I stopped at. So next, you guys, we stopped past the Durante Rum Table. I've heard of them from Sipping With Me and I'll definitely link down below one of the videos that they have on Durante Rum. You guys, the backstories on this rum is just amazing. The young lady got her recipe from, I believe it was her mother or her grandmother. I don't want to be wrong in a sense, so I'll definitely link one of their videos down below for a better reference. But you guys, this rum was rumming, okay? Next we have Manita Tequila, you guys. Her tequila is so smooth. Like, it is so, I don't think I've tasted a smoother tequila. And I'm a tequila girl. You know, that's my jam. I definitely had to get her information to place an order from her as well, you guys. Make sure, hopefully you can see the QR code. Make sure you scan the QR code. This young lady was so sweet, you guys. I loved her t-shirts, which says, "My ancestors' wildest dreams." Like that, it was just so inspiring in that room. It was so much inspiration that just tells you, you know, whatever is on your mind, whatever your goals are, make sure that you set out to reach them because they are obtainable. Period. And the story is here, you guys. Now, by this time, honey, I was over the tasting. I ain't gonna say I was over it, but I done had me a borderline boilermaker. You know what I mean? I done had the tequila, the rum, the the vodka. You know, I had to just take a chill pill for a minute. Okay, we was getting a little spiced up, but this
name of his company
had
is the drink
different flavors,
Sangria,
sangrias. Check out the QR code. Google him. Check him out. He was really nice. We then stopped by the Liquid Intrusion Brewing Company, and I just love the look of her beer cans, you guys. I'm not a beer drinker, but this young lady was so adamant. She was like, "You gonna become one today? You gonna try this today, honey?" And yeah, friend, it ain't work. I just can't do the brewskis. I can't do a brew. Okay, give me a hard cider or something like that. But I still want to stop by and support. Stop past Dumas rum, you guys. And this mixed drink that's in this container was so good. I'm so glad that I see the recipe so that I can try to replicate it on my own when I purchase mine. I will say that this tasting has turned me into, I'm not going to say a rum drinker, but I'm intrigued by rum now. But not least, we have Suede Rose. It's a mix between a Pinot and a Zinfandel. And you guys, it was good. It was really smooth. We decided to head over to Yard House, you guys, to feed some of these cocktails that we done had, y'all. Because we had to feed them, okay? We was a little hungry. So y'all, my friend just told me this the part I need to be vlogging. We in Victoria's Secret, y'all. Now tell me, these ladies' coochies don't be real long. Like, I ain't got no long coochie. I don't got that, friend. It's cute, friend. But is your crush gonna be sagging now? No, I paid. You sure? Now she'll pass, child. Alright, you guys, so we are back at home. We had a time today. Yes, we did, honey. I am now out of drag. We went to the Brilliance in Black Festival that I was invited to by Me and I. If you have not checked out Me and I, you guys, make sure that you check out this beautiful couple channel. They share their journey. They also have a second channel, which is Sipping with Me and I, okay? Where they are your Black-owned spirit GPS. And I just love them, you guys. They are always bridging the gap. When they're in the area, they always, you know, invite your girl out. So I am very much so grateful to be connected to them. At the Brilliance in Black Festival, you guys, I got to network with business owners. Purchased a shot glass from a young lady. She is super sweet, you guys. And the shot glass says adulting is ghetto because it is. It very much so is. I got some juicing ideas. I also purchased the juice from another young lady. I'll plug the information on the screen because, yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a little tip. So I don't remember everything right now, but her juice basically had hibiscus and ginger and lemon, and I'm here for all of that. I'm here for all of those things, you guys. We know that hibiscus is good for the heart, and ginger is always good for you as well. So I got a few juicing ideas from her. And then myself and my friend Tay, we went on to go and get something to eat because Tay had something else to do. So I'm excited that I got to spend time, have a little girl time or whatnot with her. And after that, I want me a little coin, a little piece of change, child. And now I'm here. Okay, now we here. So I'm just sitting here browsing the web, coming up with some ideas or trying to figure out which curriculum I'm going to use for Sweet Pea for this upcoming school year. I will be homeschooling her. So I want to have a plan set in place. Okay, is she going to wear uniforms to the homeschool or not? Like, I just want to see her in a little uniform. I don't know. I don't know, but yeah, no, I am browsing some curriculums because education is very much so important. Sweet Pea has a late birthday, so she can't go to school this year because of her late birthday, and I don't want her to feel like she's behind in any way when it's time for her to go. If anything, I want her to be advanced. Period. Yeah, we don't play them type of games. So yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog as much as I did creating it for you. Next vlog, you guys, we are going to be getting into our juicing. I'm going to start my pescatarian journey and step on the scale, that dreadful scale, y'all. I don't want to, but I have to because I need to know where I am in order to know where I need to be. Okay. Get it done, okay? So we're going to be starting our pescatarian journey tomorrow. Like, it's so close, okay? It's so close. But we can do it. I also want to incorporate a bit of Pilates, like at-home Pilates workouts for those days that I can't just get to the gym. But I'm excited for this new journey, you guys. Also, if you have not checked out my beginner perfume collection, make sure that you do so. I think that I did a good job for my beginner, and I'm excited to be embarking on my perfume journey as well, you guys. So everything has just been looking up. It's just been looking up, okay? July is doing its big one, and I am loving it, okay? The favor ain't fair in July. I love it. So, you guys, again, thank you guys so much for watching. And until tomorrow, I see you then. Okay? See you tomorrow, friend. See you tomorrow.
'Cause I know you see me on the come up.